Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a new product from Pokemon, the new Summer Tin Collector's Chest to open. And let's see, we have a lot of goodies in here, it says, so let's get into it, get through this plastic best we can. Oh my. As usual, we have some tough plastic that does not want to come off. Oh man, this is really tough plastic today. Where's my knife when I need it? Oh, wow. Whew. That was a workout in and of itself. Alright, so let's see what we got inside, guys. This is a beautiful looking tin featuring Iron Thorns and Iron Valiant. And on the back side we have Screamtail and Fluttermane. Alright, and let's open this up and see what we got inside. Oh wow, that's nice. Got a couple coins here. We have an Iron Valiant coin, which is surprisingly missing some of its holographicness on the bottom there. And a Screamtail coin along with the respective Screamtail and Iron Valiant promo card there. Let's get these out. They definitely misprinting the part of that holographic on that coin. Then we have the Iron Valiant card and the card code for the collector's chest itself. And we have our Screamtail promo card. Alright, and let's see what else we get in this chest. It comes with 6 packs here. We have 2 Twilight Masquerade, 2 Temporal Forces, and it looks like 2. Ooh, we have 1 Paradox Rift and 1 Obsidian Flame. Interesting pack choice. Alright. Set those aside, just take a look at the rest of the stuff in here. We have some sticker sheets featuring all the Pokemon from the front and back of the tin. And we have a little mini portfolio binder. Alright guys, well, let's get this out of the way and get into our packs today. Alright, I think we should probably go ahead and start with, let's go with Paradox Rift. We haven't opened that for a while. Let's see what we can pull out of there today for just 1 pack. First card code for you for this. Here, just the camera. Got a little bit out of area there. Alright, 1 to the front. Fire Energy starting us off today. Pumpkaboo, Zubat, Natu, Purloin, Veluza, Chantal, a Garbodor, Reverse Spinda, Reverse Nimble, and a normal holo rare Volcanion. So no hit out of Paradox Rift today. I'm gonna go ahead and go with Temporal Forces next. I think I'm gonna put Obsidian Flames after that, just in case there's a Charizard in there. Who knows, guys, right? First card code for Temporal Forces. We have Grass Energy, Ekans, Turtwig, Poochyena, Wiglet, Electivire, Cinccino, Sableye, a reverse Nuzleaf, a reverse Marill, and regular rare Magcargo. Alright, no hits so far out of 6 packs. We should hope to have at least one hit or two. Card code for the second pack of Temporal Forces. We have Water Energy, Nuzleaf, Minccino, Rockruff, Litten, Reuniclus, Mist Energy, Sawsbuck, reverse Turtonator, a reverse Centiskorch, and Miraidon regular regular rare holo. Oh well, I don't know what to tell you here, guys. Are we saving everything for last pack magic or what? Let's go ahead and get Obsidian Flames and get that admin. Get this one opened up. Here is the card code for Obsidian Flames. Water Energy starting this pack off. Combee, Varoom, Larvitar, Cleffa, Frogadier, Stunfisk, Salazzle, a reverse Inkay, a reverse Phantump, and just a regular rare Togekiss today. Nothing out of Obsidian Flames either. Alright, Twilight Masquerade. You're gonna have to pull out some all the stops here and give us something good. Alright, card code for first pack of Twilight Masquerade. This collector's chest has been a little bit underwhelming so far. We have Metal Energy, Luxio, Goldeen, Dreepy, Sandygast, Ogre's Mask, Probopass, Heracross, reverse Bug Catching Set, and reverse Aaron, and a Pheasantipity regular rare. Wow. No hits so far. I'm a little bit surprised here. Last pack. It must have the magic. This is the last one we get today, guys. Will it be in here? Last card code, Twilight Masquerade for you. We have Psychic Energy, Shinx, Clefairy, Varoom, Volbeat, Enhanced Hammer, Kilowattrel, Glalie, a reverse Phantump, reverse Floette, and a Monkey Dory regular rare. Wow, we got skunked today with this collector's chest, guys. A little bit surprised at that. Alright, well, unfortunately, no hits today, guys. So, you know what to do. We have to hit that like, subscribe, and comment button for better luck next time, and we'll see you then.